Hey Revies, I'm your love Sirsty Dutta, and this is one of the most demanded video by you guys, as this video is going to be how I do my everyday makeup, and I'll show you each and every step in detail. So as you can see, this is my bare face. I have not applied any kind of product on my face right now, so we will begin with doing our morning skincare, cause morning skincare includes sunscreen, moisturizer, which is a very important step in the morning skincare. So we will do that first and then we will do our makeup. Okay, so I have cleansed my face completely, and now the second step is to apply the serum, and for that I am using the Pond's one. This is not a sponsored video, I'm not lying to you guys, but I am completely in love with this product because of how fast it gives the results. When you have acne breakout, you are left with little marks on your face, right? Like dot black dots, those are called acne marks. So what this serum does is it reduces all those marks, and it helps to reduce those marks like super fast. That's why I'm in love with this serum. After the serum, it's time for our moisturizer. Currently I'm using this 5% propylene oil-free moisturizer from the Dermaco. It's a very good moisturizer actually, because I have started my tretinoin journey once again. I am using tretinoin at night. So this has 5% pure propylene. It is far more better than emollient cream for it is an adaptation of emollient cream, but emollient cream is for dry skin people and this one is for oily and acne prone skin like it. So it's a great moisturizer to be used with tretinoin. Now the last step of the skincare is the sunscreen. Currently I'm trying out many sunscreen and I have so many options with me, like right away. See, these are all in my skincare box, so I am getting confused of what I should use right now. Anyway, let's go with the plum one. Okay, it is both hydrating, brightening and protective, so yeah, let's do it. I'm done with the skincare part, and now let's begin with the makeup. Since I have acne prone skin, I actually avoid applying makeup on my skin. So in my everyday routine, I mainly apply makeup on my features, which means I apply makeup only on my eyebrows, eyes and lips. Yeah, that's it. In my opinion, you guys should avoid doing makeup on your skin as well, because no matter how high-end product you are using, it will clog your pores. If you also have acne prone skin like me, then stick to your feature enhancing makeup, which I'm gonna show you right now how to do it. For the eye makeup, I love to use this Cuffs and Lashes mini palette. I love the fact that how small it is, because you can put it in your makeup box, in your travel kit, like wherever you want to, and it also has all the nude shades that I want, because you don't usually go with vibrant colors in everyday look. You mainly go with nude shades to look natural. So yeah, I love it. And for that, I'm using this black shade and this brush. Okay, so yeah, let me just do a close-up kind of shot. I usually have thick eyebrows, but the last time I did my eyebrow, the parlor didi literally removed all of them. See, I asked her not to shave this area and she still did it, and look. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with the first eye. Now let's do the next one. As you can see, both of my eyebrows are done. Okay, are they looking symmetrical? See, doing the eyebrow only gave me a nikhar on my face. You can clearly outline my face. Now we will begin with doing the eyes. For the eyes, first I will be using this shade. This is a beigeish kind of shade. And using this brush. So all I have to do is, can you see the difference between the two? See, now I will be using this shade. This is a light brown kind of shade. Okay, and I'm gonna use it on the upper eyelid. I have applied the brown shade on both of my upper eyelids, and now it's time to swipe it down like this. So it can create a gradient kind of look. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna use this shade. This is a rusty orange kind of shade, but it has also a tint of brownish look. So yeah, I'm gonna use it on the lower eyelash. Okay, so as you can see, I have completely applied the eyeshadow on my eyes, and now it's time to apply it on the lower lash line. This is a very important step which many people forget to do, and you should not do it. I am gonna apply this brown shade on my lower lash line, connecting this point. Okay, like this. Like this. Can you see the difference between the two? That's it. Our eyeshadows are done, and now we are gonna apply the eyeliner. For me, eyeliner is like old is gold. I do have many kind of eyeliner, but to be honest, I love using this one. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a line from here to here, and then I'm gonna join the line from here to here. Okay, so let's do it. See, now I have to join this with my eyelash line. Now it is connected to till here, and now I have to pull the wing from here to the corner of my eyes. Yeah, so let's do it. This one is done, and now we will do the left one. I'm done with my eyeliner, and now I have to curl my lashes. Lastly, for my eye makeup, all I have to do is use the mascara. So my eye makeup is done. This is how it looks. Now let's do the lips. I'm using these two lipsticks from Cuffs and Lashes. The first shade is Scribble Story, and this one is Ink Neutral. This is a brown shade, so I'm gonna line my lips with this one. outline is done, and now I'm gonna use this shade on the inner sections of my lips, like that's it. And now I'm gonna blend the two together. Lastly, I'm using this lip gloss, to add a shine on my lips. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I am done with the makeup. This is the final result, and this is exactly the way I do my everyday makeup for my shoot, for whenever I have to go out and all. This is exactly what I do. Obviously sometimes I use different lipstick, only the lipstick is different, otherwise the eye makeup, the eyebrows, everything is same. And if I'm feeling a little bit extra cute, then I go ahead with a cheek tint and I apply it all over my cheeks, and that's it. Other than that, I usually don't apply any kind of makeup on my skin. As I told you earlier, I have acne prone skin, so I break out more frequently, and there is so much heat, so much, the summer is giving out such a big heat waves that the makeup is melting off. When you apply something on your face, you have this constant fear that the makeup is getting cakey and it's flaking off. For this makeup, which is a feature enhancing makeup, you don't have to worry about anything. It's gonna stay the whole day. This is gonna stay the whole day. This is not gonna stay whole day, like you can say half of the day, like you can reapply it. But for the full makeup, the concealer, the foundation, the blush, all this may swipe away if you sweat and if you swipe your face. Alright, in my suggestion, be consistent with your skincare and have flawless skin. Focus on flawless skin than hiding your dark spots and pimple. I can understand the need of putting on foundation. It makes the skin more even tone, even if you have a even toned skin. I love my feature enhancing makeup. See, please try this look and let me know your experience in the comment section after you're done. I hope this video was helpful for you. Now do subscribe my channel so that we can meet again.